Hello, tech enthusiasts, and welcome to our deep dive into the world of innovation. Today, we're unlocking the treasure trove of features packed into the iconic iPhone 8. Prepare to embark on a journey where style meets substance, as we uncover the secrets behind the sleek design and powerful capabilities of this extraordinary device. In a world where technology evolves at a breakneck pace, display. As we journey deeper into the heart of the iPhone 8, we arrive at a realm where visuals come to life and performance is nothing short of extraordinary. The 4.7-inch Retina HD display is more than just a window, it's a portal into a world of vibrant colors and crystal-clear details. Whether you're watching your favorite movies, browsing photos, or reading text, every pixel contributes to an immersive and visually stunning experience. But the magic doesn't stop there. Powering this visual spectacle is the formidable A11 Bionic chip. Behind the scenes, this technological marvel orchestrates a symphony of performance that seamlessly adapts to your every command. Now, let's shift our focus to a realm where moments become memories, the camera capabilities of the iPhone 8. In the palm of your hand, you hold a visual storyteller, a 12-megapixel main camera that captures the essence of every scene with precision and clarity. From vibrant landscapes to intimate portraits, the iPhone 8's primary camera is your window to a world of photographic excellence. But the magic extends beyond the rear camera. The front-facing 7-megapixel camera is your passport to stunning selfies and engaging video calls. With the iPhone 8, every self-portrait becomes a work of art, as the camera seamlessly blends technology with the art of capturing your best angles. Step into the realm of creativity with features like Portrait Mode, where the iPhone 8 uses its sophisticated camera system to artfully blur backgrounds, highlighting the subject in a way that mimics professional photography. Now that we've marveled at the iPhone 8's design, display, and camera capabilities, let's delve into the soul of this device, its operating system and software features. Running on the latest iteration of iOS, the iPhone 8 ensures a user experience that goes beyond the surface. iOS, known for its intuitive interface, seamlessly integrates with the iPhone 8, offering a user-friendly environment that caters to both tech novices and enthusiasts alike. The App Store, a gateway to a vast ecosystem of applications, allows you to tailor your iPhone experience to your unique preferences, transforming your device into a personalized hub of productivity and entertainment. But the iPhone 8 doesn't just follow your commands, it anticipates them. With Siri, Apple's voice-activated assistant, tasks become conversations. Whether you need weather updates, directions, or a quick trivia answer, Siri is at your beck and call, making your interaction with the iPhone 8 not just functional but conversational. Customization takes center. As our exploration of the iPhone 8 comes to a close, we find ourselves standing at the intersection of innovation and timeless design. The journey through its sleek exterior, vibrant display, powerful performance, and remarkable camera capabilities has been nothing short of a technological odyssey. The iPhone 8, with its alluring glass design, isn't just a smartphone, it's a statement, a testament to the marriage of aesthetics and functionality. In a world where devices often blend into the background, the iPhone 8 demands attention, not just for its looks but for the unparalleled experience it delivers. This device transcends the boundaries of a traditional smartphone, becoming a reliable companion that effortlessly adapts to your lifestyle. Whether you're capturing memories with its exceptional camera, navigating its intuitive software, or immersing yourself in the brilliance of its display, the iPhone 8 is a symphony of technological harmony. So, if you're seeking a device that stands the test of time, marrying elegance with performance, the iPhone 8 remains a beacon in the ever-evolving landscape of smartphones. As we bid farewell to our exploration, we invite you to consider not just a device, but an icon, the iPhone 8, where innovation meets sophistication. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey through the features and marvels of the iPhone 8.